First-person factory tour of Yada DC meter production base. Many EV charger manufacturers ignore on-site factory verification. Low-cost suppliers often cut corners on components, lack stable inventory, and vague contract standards. Once supply chain fluctuation hits, your whole project will stop shipping. Every production procedure here has fixed QC standards, stable raw material supply, and complete after-service guarantee. We can support long-term bulk orders and avoid your procurement loss. Contact us for a full factory virtual tour.